Installing Subaru wheel spacer is an ordinary option that most people will do. For most Subaru wheel spacer size, 15mm to 25mm is perfect to achieve a nice flash look. BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design. Feature unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance. BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6, 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. BONOSS wheel spacers are made from high-grade aluminum alloy 6061 T6 and 7075 T6, ensuring lightweight durability and high load capacity. BONOSS wheel spacers are CNC machined to 0.02mm accuracy, ensuring a perfect fit. Good hub central wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that needs specific load requirements. BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage hub central rings. The hub central metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub flank. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of wheels.
These BONOSS Forge active cooling hub central spacers are vehicle specific. This means they are made according to your vehicle specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issue.
Upgrading your Subaru with BONOSS wheel spacer is a smart way to improve both performance and aesthetics. With the right size selections and active cooling technology, you get enhanced stability, better heat dissipation, and a safer driving experience.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about the BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comment. See you in the next time. Bye-bye.